Do you feel nervous when someone speaks to you in English? Do you stay silent because you are afraid of making mistakes? Imagine walking into an interview, a shop, or a doctor's office, and speaking clearly without fear. Today, that change begins. Many Sri Lankans understand English but struggle to speak it. Most courses are too difficult or too fast. That is why we created this course. We use simple English, step by step, to help you move from silence to confidence. We start with the basics, the power of hello. From there, we move into your daily life, describing your family, managing your busy schedule, and even bargaining at the market. By the end of this course, you won't just know English words. You will know how to use them to get your dream job and talk about your future. This isn't just a lesson, it is a life skill. You can watch these videos anytime, anywhere, at home or on the bus. It's like having a personal tutor in your pocket. Don't let another year go by saying, "I wish I could speak English." Start your journey today. Everything you need to know is in the description. Make a small investment today for a lifetime of confidence. Purchase the course and let's start speaking. See you in the course.